What is up, guys? Welcome back to another episode. Thanks for tuning in. Let's go ahead and hop in this week's episode. We're going to go ahead and take a look at 3 stocks under $20 you need to keep your eye on. So that's 3 stocks under $20 you need to keep your eye on and watch. The first one is Gladstone Investment. The second one is Gladstone Land. And the third and final one is, you guessed it, Gladstone Commercial. Guys, before we get into the video, go ahead and do me one quick favor. Smash that like button, subscribe. I only have a handful of subscribers, so every little bit helps. Let me know what you like, what you don't like, all that great stuff before we get in today's video. So as we look, I have actually Gladstone Investment. I just picked up another position on them, or another stock, I'm sorry. So I have 6 total shares, equaling $60 in market value at an average cost of $10.74. I'm down right now, but of course over the last couple of days or week, we're down about 6.5%. A month, it's almost 9%. 3 months, it's actually up almost 40%. Year, it's down. This was right before the crash. So it's at about 13 and a half, and it's at 10. So it's discounted about 30 to 35%. And then that 5-year trending looks pretty good. So I actually had a dividend paid from them not too long ago. It was actually at 9 cents a share. And then they're turning around and they're going to go ahead and pay me 7 cents a share at the end of this month for July. So I had 5 shares at the time, so we'll have 35 cents that will turn around and roll back in, and the following month we'll have 6 shares. So I like Gladstone Investment. When we take a look, I mean, the revenue growth is up, the 3-year revenue growth is up. The dividends, again, there's years of growth over 3 years. It's a monthly paying dividend. That payout ratio is rather high. I think that's because the stock itself is beat down a little bit. It's an aggressive position, but we're willing to roll the dice and take it. Again, we're only investing $20 a week, so it's worth the risk. Let's go ahead and hop over to their website. So when we hop on the website here, we can actually see that get to see what they're investing in. So you can see they have positions in manufacturing, consumer products, and business service and distribution. So this is something I like to do when I'm investing in a company. I like to actually go to their website, and you can look at their portfolio. So you can take a look and see what they have positions in all over the country here. So I'm in the St. Louis area. There's not much. You got Brunswick up there in Detroit. That's bowling, for those that don't know. Not much of a bowler myself, but I like to do it from time to time. And then there's a couple other companies that they actually invest in. And again, you can look at the different sectors. So let's just go to consumer products here and see what they got. Let's click on Head Country Incorporated. Let's see what we got here. So it's the #1 barbecue sauce brand in the state of Oklahoma. Shout out to my boy Joe Exotic over there. That's all I know about Oklahoma. But yeah, so this is just a better way to educate yourself and take a look and see all there is about Gladstone Investment. Again, I like them just because of the discounted and their monthly paying dividend. So let's hop over to Gladstone Land, which is just that. I don't have any positions on this company yet. This is something that is just that. It's actually farmland. So they own farmland and farm-related properties in major agricultural markets in the U.S., and they lease its properties to unrelated third-party farmers. So if you're into real estate, this is actually a pretty good way to get your hand on some farmland real estate without actually investing in farmland real estate. So you can see the revenue over the last several years. It's going up. It keeps climbing. Their growth is consistent. Their 3-year growth, their dividends, it's an annual payout of 54 cents. So it's not going to get rich off of it, but it's a 3.48% dividend yield, which is all right. 4 cents a month that you can definitely take advantage of, and that is also a monthly paying dividend. So if you had 1 stock in Gladstone Investment, 1 stock in Gladstone Land, you're looking at 11 cents a month. And that dividend growth history is going up too. Looks like it's on pace for the last 2 years. Year before was at 52 cents. So let's hop on over to their website. So when we take a look here, again, it shows the old farmland. We can take a look at their portfolio and see what they have. So it looks like they got it kind of all over the United States. Nothing too much in the Midwest except for Nebraska there. Yeah, so I mean, this is another way. I think it's another sector that you can always add to your portfolio. I'm looking to pick them up sometime in the future. I was hoping to get them at a discount, but they've already surpassed their lowest mark, or their mark that they were at pre-COVID. So they're one that continues to grow, and yeah, we just go from there. And then the last of the three that we're going to look at is Gladstone Commercial. So this is another position. This is actually at the highest Gladstone that there is at $17.95. So they actually own. It's again real estate focused on acquiring, owning, and operating net leased industrial and office properties across the United States. So this is something that again, it's another real estate play, but it's going to be designed for those commercials. So we can see the revenues going up. The growth is not as high as it was in the other two, but there is revenue. It's up 10.39% year over year. And then as we take a look at its dividend, the dividend yield is 6.57% and the payout ratio is 77.62%. So in the last dividend that was announced was 13 cents per month. So the one thing that is a little bit concerning is the decrease in dividends. But before, I believe they weren't monthly paying in 2018 and prior. Let's go ahead and hop over to that website. So as we look at their website, we can actually see a couple of the properties that they own that these other companies will rent from them. So as we clicked on properties, we can see all the different industrial areas. So here's one in Champaign, Illinois, not too far from us. An office, 108 square feet. Looks like a $15 million transaction. But this is something, again, I think everybody should do when you're looking into a company. Go ahead, hop on their website, and then just take a look. Just do your own research. Again, I'm just some dude on YouTube just putting out crappy videos for the time being. And, you're putting your hard-earned money in there just like I am. I'm only putting 20 bucks in. This type of video is not the type of video to... you're going to want to get rich off of. This is a type of video that we're just putting 20 bucks in per week, and we're going to see what we can get it up to. We've only put $640 in to date, and we're at $1,035. And really, our only position that we're crushing it in is Carnival Cruise Line. So that's a little bit concerning, but whatever. Again, I wanted to get a video out. It's been a couple of weeks. Sorry about that. Real quick, if you like this video and you want to see more videos of just me fleeing it up at 20 bucks a sling, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe, let me know what you like, let me know what you didn't like. I'll do my best. The videos will get better. Thanks again, guys. Have a great day. Happy trading to you, and let's get back in the black and keep it up with good trades. Thanks again, guys. Bye.